Hands.
The Turbo Concrete Mega Eagle oil burner update part 2, the blower. In order to supply compressed air for the fuel feed and atomizer, we were experimenting with the compressors from refrigerators. Found the output to be too small a volume. The pressure was good, but they had quite low volume output. We tried 2 of them, still found the output to be a little bit on the low side. Also, we needed a reasonable supply of high volume, low pressure air. Noisy bastards. So that would have required, I mean, the only fan we could get our hands on would have been a 12 volt fan from a car. So we could have done it with 2 fridge compressors, a 12 volt blower motor and a transformer for the 12 volt blower motor, meaning that everything would run off 2 30 volt supply. Rather than do that, we thought it much cleaner and tidier to completely bugger up this little compressor, make an adapter on the end of it, and then put the blower motor fan on the end of the compressor we already had, and so everything's going to be done by this one unit, I suppose. We're going to have a high pressure, low volume output from the compressor and a high volume, low pressure output from this cage fan that's off a Peugeot 206. We're just in the process of making this plate up, and Ashley is over here rolling up a bit of snail shaped metal to go around the equally snail shaped former to make the end plate on that fan.
Okay.
Ashley's just welding the snail up. Or not. Going for the tack and bodge method here. A process employed by the great shipbuilders of Spalding since the late 118th, and generally accredited with such magnificent maritime greats as the Nobel Peace winning ship SS Great Colossus. And there's a Lancaster bomber. You got there, Ash?
Snail.
Snail, nice snail. So that's the housing for the blower, the cage blower. Not quite finished yet, but it's round about the right shape. Go on, throw it on. Clips on the back there, and that was a veritable gale blowing out the front end of it. Still high pressure air coming out the back. It's got some screws to pop on there, and we are done. The compressor now retrofitted with a blower puts out quite a bit of air. We've got a couple of little bits of trim off, and the whole thing will get a coat of paint along with the rest of the burner once it's all assembled. Join us next time for the chassis of the burner, I suppose. Then we'll do some plumbing and a control panel, and hopefully fire the thing up. Cheers. Bye. Turbo Concrete Mega Eagle. Bye. Bye. Yeah. Cheers.